So, Dr. Chwanuka, once again, today we are going to talk about the signs and symptoms of cervical cancer. So, cervical cancer presents in many ways. In most cases, you may not notice. A cervical cancer is one of the commonest cancers affecting women in our setting. And one of the key symptoms is abnormal vaginal bleeding. Many women experience vaginal bleeding during sex or after sex or in between periods or after menopause. And many of them have gone to hospitals and they have been treated for vaginal infections. Some of them think it is stress or just hormones or just still infections. However, when you experience such as a woman that bleeds in between your periods, after sex, or even after you've undergone menopause, please go to the hospital for assessment. Another key symptom women may experience is vaginal discharge, which may be watery, it may have a bad smell, or it may be mixed with blood. In most cases, many women have gone to hospitals and they have treated for vaginal infections because of the recurrent vaginal discharge. In most cases, that points to something bad, and you need to go to the hospital and get checked out. Sometimes you may experience pelvic pain or chronic lower back pain. Now, as cervical cancer advances, it can affect the nearby structures like your urinary bladder or your rectum. And you may see blood in urine. You may see difficulties in passing stool, which is constipation. And you may also see blood in stool. And another thing, you may end up with, when it advances and it can affect your ureters, those things that bring urine to your urinary bladder, and you end up with kidney problems. Now, the bad thing about cervical cancer is that by the time it presents with those symptoms, it is already advanced. But the good thing is, those symptoms may not come if you go to the hospital early and you get checked out and you get screened. Some of the interventions that have been put in hospitals are the vaccination programs and the screening programs. Cervical cancer can be treated early before it reaches advanced stage. Now, if you're a brother out there, or a husband, or a mother, or a daughter, you can show this to your mother, your sister, or your wife. And if they experience any of those symptoms I've talked about, please, they need to visit the hospital and they get checked out. Thank you for listening.